Let's talk repeated addition with fractions and multiplying whole numbers by fractions. So if I had the whole number 4 times 1/3, that's really the same as taking 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3. I'm showing 4 times 1/3. So how many thirds do you see here? 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 equals 4 thirds. A trick that I use when multiplying whole numbers by fractions is that since a whole number 4 is technically a fraction if you put a 1 under it, but you don't have to, you multiply your whole number times your numerator. 4 times 1 is 4. Keep your denominator the same, or like I said, it's just like multiplying 1 times 3 equals 3. Let's do another. So anytime a fraction has a 1 for the numerator, that fraction is called a unit fraction. So I have 3 unit fractions that show 1/5 each. So I could make a multiplication expression to go with this. I see 3 times 3/5. So I can add my numerators 1 plus 1 plus 1 to get 3/5. Or I can take the whole number 3 and multiply it times 1/5. 3 times 1 equals 3. Keep your denominator the same. So again, a unit fraction, by definition, is a fraction that has a number 1 in the numerator. But there are some other ways to decompose fractions or break them up into smaller groups. So say I wanted to do the same thing for 3/5, but this time I use 2/5 plus 1/5. Does that still give us 3/5 when adding numerators? It sure does. Okay, so what about a number multiplied by a fraction such as 5/12? 5 times 5/12. The shortcut, the way that I like to use, is multiply your whole number times your numerator. So 5 times 5 is 25. Keep the denominator the same. I could also add 5/12 5 times to get the same answer. A little more work, but I can see here that I have 5/12 added 5 times. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 25/12. Okay, hope this has helped.